Fast cars, fast bikes. Loud cars, loud bikes. But I never loved electric vehicles. Sound तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. Later on, Tesla came up with their first range of electric cars that was mind-blowing and everyone loved it. Everyone liked it a lot, including me. India में, I never liked any electric bike. There was no attractive electric scooter in India at all. Let's have some chai first. But later, one electric company called Ather came up with a new scooter. I loved it. It started to grow on me, and ever since it got released, I wanted to have a test ride of that vehicle. I never got an opportunity to ride it. Now, recently, 4 days ago, I received an email from Ather asking me, Rahul, test ride our vehicle. And I was like, sure, give it to me. And they have actually called me now to Ather Indiranagar showroom to a place called Ather Experience Center, which I've never seen before and I've never witnessed it before. So, let's go now. So we have reached the Ather showroom now in Indiranagar, and this is it. This is the Ather Experience Center. I've come in my Honda Hornet today, and just let's get inside and check out the place now. Alright, here we are greeted with two Ather 450s over here, and this is interesting. 1902 to 2018 RIP petrol engine. So let's have a look at the electric bikes over here. The Ather 450. I'm gonna go in detail about this bike a little while later, because I'm gonna have the bike for the day and we'll ride it and then just talk about it. For now, we'll just check out this place over here. So it was started by two students who are graduates from IIT Madras. It's a very reputed college, and they almost spent 5 years in the R&D of this vehicle and came up with this. It actually looks amazing and the features are just mind-boggling. I went through in detail about the bikes and I'm just mesmerized with all the features that it gives us. So this is the motor which is placed in the bike, and so basically it's just 0 to 40 in 3.9 seconds and the top speed of 80 kilometers per hour, which they claim, but it can go more than that actually. You have the chassis of the bike. So here is a position where the battery is placed, and here's the motor. So basically the battery is placed in the lower position so that it has a lower center of gravity. It gets biber disc brakes over here, both front and rear disc brakes. And yep, you have the belt system instead of chain system to increase maximum efficiency and to reduce the wear and tear. The tension can be adjusted in all the services going forward. And again, the monoshock over here looks so neat in this green color. The camera cannot just capture the shine which is just vibrant over there. But yeah, all aluminum body and the bike looks spectacularly awesome, lightweight, and these are all the 450 bikes that are yet to be delivered. And here, let me show you this thing, the battery. The battery is actually placed in water, so it's basically a water resistant battery, and you can actually keep it under water till the foot peg area for about half an hour. So yeah, till this portion for about half an hour it will be safe. After that it's just risky. Range of the vehicle depends on sport mode. It's gonna give you a range of 55 kilometers, and ride mode is gonna give you a range of 65, and eco mode is the highest, that's gonna give you 75 kilometers. But this is the 450 variant. But right there, if you can see in the video, so this is the latest bike which is yet to be released this year, and the 450X model. So again, the 450X variant would get major changes, major upgrades such as higher range, higher speed, higher acceleration rate, and then it will also feature 3 color variants. For now, the 450 is available only in the white color variant, whereas the 450X will come in that matte black variant, the white, and there's another color variant which would be green. I'm not sure, let's see at the end of the year. Alright, so this is the experience center where you can actually have a seat over there, and they will basically explain you all about the financing options of the bike. Yep, this place is super amazing in Indiranagar. Over here you can actually see all the charging points that are right now available in Bangalore city. So they have put a neat Bangalore's map with all the charging locations right at the moment. And you know, this map can actually be seen in the mobile app, which indicates you where all the bikes are being charged at the moment, which all charging points are free, and you can basically take the bike to those points if you're somewhere around those locations. For now there are 30 locations where the bike can be charged, but over time they are going to increase the number of places where you can actually charge the bike. And here is the charger. So this is a personalized charger for your specific Ather bike, which you would get. For example, if your neighbor too has an Ather bike, he wouldn't be able to use your charger. So yep, this is going to be specific for your own bike. Alright, so that was the tour of the Ather Experience Center. Glad that I got invited to this place and check out their bikes and know about the tech of these bikes. So hopefully in the next video I am going to take the bike out and tell you guys more about the bike and how it feels. And yeah, it's going to be an amazing day. So let's catch up in the next video. Bye.